start by, you know, we have $20 here, so we're going to have to quickly do a quick simulation, basic one, and then we'll go ahead and just get this done. So we copy that and we go over to MEXC to do this, right? So I'm just going to have to go over and see what they have here. So I'm already here in AMB USDT. You can see the price is 14.53. That's 0.01453. So let's just refresh that and sell and see how much we'll get. Okay, 37 cents. Wow, that is definitely in the range of what? This is just a basic simulation, right? Earlier it was like about 40, so but now it's going to 37. It shows that it's going down a bit. But let's go ahead and get this done. All right, so let's go ahead and try and see how. Let's do like the normal, like what I call the extensive one. So we're going to have to check whether we'll be able to get this sold quickly. So what we're looking for, you can see 1.7k, and let's go ahead and do this so that we don't waste too much time. So let's go ahead and put 100% and see whether we can get this sold. Let's do this quickly. Let's see whether we can get, oh yeah, we're on the queue. Oh, perfect. It's got sold like practically immediately. So it didn't pick up everything because I can see that, well, less than a cent, that is fine. Let's see how much we have. So we have 1401.94. So let me just snapshot that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this sent over to, you know, MEXC. For us to do that, we just need to get the deposit address from MEXC here. So we're depositing it here, and we're gonna, so we're depositing AMB. It's the name is Ambrosos. Okay, interesting. So when I just need to make sure that everything was the same. So let's see. He said we should make sure that you also select the same. Let me check. Am I doing the same thing? Make sure that you also select the same network. Okay. Oh yeah, I did that. So let's go ahead. Tap to generate address. Okay, great. So we've tapped that. Let's generate the address. Okay, let's go ahead and get that done. Good. So we're going over to, and then we're going to withdraw. And let's go. We have to do all these things really quick because you don't want anything to go down. So we're going to be, you know, selecting that, and we're going to put the address in there. Okay, and Ambrose also, you can see it's the same thing. So we're going to put max, and then we'll see. So it's showing you how much it's going to take. It's taking 1 AMB, so that's fine. We're going to get 1400 AMB. So I think that's it. Let's go ahead and get this withdrawn. Okay, so we're going to get that done quickly. I like to take a lot of screenshots. It's very important for analysis. Okay, so let's wait and see what it's going to tell us now. Definitely we're going to have to do our verifications. So, but before it comes up, let's just see what it tells us. Okay, I'll be back after I do my verifications. Okay, it looks like it has arrived. As you can see here, 20.34 USD. So let's go ahead and click on transfer so that we can make sure that we have it in our wallet. So we're going to do, oh, everything is in spot. Let me see. Is it already in spot? I'm trying to get it. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Let me check that. Oh, sorry. Let's go back and see whether we actually have it. It looks like we already have it. Do we? Let me check. Let me check to be sure. Do we have that? Oh yeah. Sorry, I was actually thinking, like I told you, this is a new platform. Okay, so we're currently here. As we can see that we already have our AMB here already seated and waiting. So let's just slide that to 100%, and you can see that we have 34 cents made. So let's go ahead and let's hope that it seems so. All right, so let me go ahead and see. It says that, do we want to sell? Yes, we want to sell. So let's go ahead and click on sell. So let's see. Oh, we're in the queue. All right, let's see whether we can get this sold quickly. Let me cancel that and see whether we can use our order book to sell. Okay, so now, but we need to check whether we can actually get that done. Okay, you can see here. Now, what we want to do is that we want to sell. Okay, so that means that we need to pick from this. Okay, we'll have 1410. If I pick on that, what's that going to give me? Okay. No, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. So we need to go back to its original price. Okay. So we're gonna be in the queue for some time. So let's go ahead, put in the 100%. Let's just go ahead, put in the 100%, and let's get this sold. Okay. So let's see how this goes once again. So we're gonna be in the queue. We don't have a choice about that. So let's see how this goes. All right. So we're currently in the queue. Let's see how long this takes, and I'll be back to give you the results. See you shortly. Wow, I'm back and it has already sold to USDT. So let's check what we have here. Wow, woo, we have 20.342 USDT. This is sweet. Okay, so let's check what percentage this gave us in terms of fees and everything. So what we have is 20. Okay, we actually started out with $20, right? So if we check out the percentage, that should be like around 1.7%. So let's multiply that by 1.7%. Wow, that's 0.34. That's 34 cents, and that's awesome. Okay, so I mean, we can see that this was actually a very fast trade. It didn't take us up to an hour. So let me go check the order history for us to see what's in here. Wow, you can see it's actually a very new platform, my very first, execution of a trade here. Yeah, you can see that, right? So you can see that we actually got 20.34 here, but what we started out with, if you remember, is $20. Okay, so that means our profit is 34 cents. And you can see that the fee is zero. So it seems like right now I got a stint of information that they're currently, doing zero trading fees on Mexi. So I guess it's just a ploy to get you sucked in into their platform. But I mean, let's go and enjoy it, right? So if you would love to come over to, Mexi, I'm not their associate or anything like that. I'm just a user, just like you. So, if they're giving me zero trading fees, why not? So let's go ahead and see. Thank you so much. I hope you have learned something here. This was a very interesting, nice, and good flowing one. Okay, we didn't have any hitches. In fact, let me just confirm the amount of time it took. Well, let's see. This is all right. Let's see. I've seen the time here. Let me go and check in what's it called now. Yeah, let me check here to see what time it was and how long it actually took. So let's check the trade history and see what time. Okay, what time did this take? Okay, yeah, just about an hour. Just about an hour. That's what it took, and 1 hour 10 minutes thereabouts, and that's really cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. So I hope you've learned something from this trade here, right? That's once you see a good signal, don't waste your time. Do all your calculations. Make sure your calculations are accurate. Make sure that you have everything in place. When we did the simulation, we saw it was 40 cents, right? Yes, but don't forget that we have trade, but we don't really have trading fees, just that sometimes those are just estimations, so it may not necessarily, I mean, you saw that it was zero trading fee, right? At that time anything could have happened, the price could have gone down or something. So we started out with the simulation of 40 cents, but by the time we brought it over, it was about 34 cents. So I guess it was a good one. If you have any comments about this, please drop it in the comments. Let me know what you think about this trade. If you have any questions or you want me to try out something for you, drop it in the comments also. I look forward to hearing from you. And if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead, click on the subscribe button, give us a like, so that this content can be shared, give us a comment, and if you want to learn more, come on, click on the link in the description, and then you get to know how we get to see all these awesome signals. Okay, God bless you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye. Hello, and welcome back to Income Strategies, the place where you learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and also to manage your money. All right, today we're on another episode of Triangular Arbitrage, this time on KuCoin. So we just received a signal now and we want to try it out. Yes, we're being told it's about 4%. So let's hope it still stays so. Anyways, let's go ahead and see what we have. Let's start by simulating. We have VEED/USDT. So let's go ahead and do this. So first and foremost, let's just do a basic simulation. We'll just put all the 100%. We're just going to use the little amount that's here, 11.47 USDT, and let's see what we can do. And we'll just go ahead and do the simulations first. So we'll go to read BTC, all right, and then we sell and try to see how much we can get. This is just a basic simulation, right? No using of the order book or anything for now. We just want to even check whether what we'll get will actually be worth it. Let's go ahead and see that. So, well, I'm here and I am about to paste BTC. So don't forget, what we have is 11.92. Okay, about like 50 cents or something in that range. Looks good. If we're looking about that, that's actually what would that be? Let me go and check in my calculator. So I'll be sure that that signal is giving us what we really want. So that's 11.92. And we had minus 11.47. Okay, about 45 cents. What would we call this one now? I think that's about 4. That's about 4%. So if I multiply 4, that's okay. That's about 4%. So we just in that range. So we're kind of good. That's exactly what we have now. Let's go ahead and see what we will get in real life. So now the second simulation we're doing is, oh, sorry, I was supposed to be on KuCoin. Yeah, the second simulation that we're going to do is that we're going to use the order book, right? The order book submission. So let's go again to read and see whether we can actually do this and make money using the order book simulation, okay? Now, the order book simulation just means that we're going to use the submissions, the first submissions in the order book. And the reason why we're doing this is because we want to make sure that this trade is fast. If you have like something in the range of 3, 4, 5%, you can actually do this and still make money and profit with it. So let's go ahead and try this out. Now, let me first of all check to see what's going on in the order book. Okay, we have 0. Okay, let's see whether that's possible. We'll put in the first red here and then click on 100%, right? And then go ahead and use that. We'll cut that. This will sell instantly by the time we do this. Let's go and check what we have for BTC. That's read BTC. Let's see whether we'll still be able to make money and if this is still going to give us some good things. Let's go ahead. We want to sell. Are we selling? Yes, we're selling. So we're going to choose the first green, right? It's much lower. You can see that the main price is ending at 768, but this one is 720. So it's really, really different. So I'm just going to pick that out. If that's not going to work for me, I may just like be in the queue. But let's go ahead and see if we can actually make money. No. I don't like this. Anything that's with 3.9, it's not going to work. Okay, so let's go back and let's see how this works. Okay, let's see how this works. Let's see what will happen with this. Okay. Let's go back and do the normal simulation, right? Just normal one. And I will just see what that will give me. Okay, no, that's supposed to be sell. Okay, it seems like we may have to wait in the queue a bit. Let me see. I will be able to sell read USDT, buy read USDT immediately. But would I be able to do that for read BTC? Not sure. So let me just come over here and sell and see how much I'll get. Okay, a little bit less than, 11.92, but it's 11.89. We're still in profit. So let's go ahead and get this started. When we get to that road, we'll see what we can do. Worst case, we have an escape route. We might just go with the boomerang strategy. Like I always tell you, you must always have a plan B. So let's go ahead and start with this. Okay, go back to read BTC. Okay, read BTC. We saw that with the limit order though, but like using the submissions in the order book, we should be able to make profit. Let me see whether that's possible. We have a good one. Let's see. I will just choose one of the red ones here and then click on 100% and we should be able, to buy that instantly. Okay, let's go ahead. All right, I'll put in my confirmations of my, what do you call it now? My verifications and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, but I'm in the queue, so I'm going to have to cancel this because I guess the little time it took me to try and put in my verifications, everything changed. So I'll just go ahead and do this. Let's see what happens. If, okay, we have 2017 now. Let me just click on that one. Oh, let me see. What do we have there? There are not many. Oh, that's the reason why. Oops, okay. I can see that things are changing very quickly. Let me go ahead and try this. I am seeing that we have 66. Can you see in the order book here, the number, we're trying to sell 5,000, right? So it looks like, wow, if we have to get this sold quickly, what are we going to do? Okay, let me pick this one here. Okay, let's go ahead and try and pick this one I'm seeing here. This one I'm seeing here. I'm just going to quickly do that and see whether it will give me. Okay, let's go ahead and try this, whether it will sell. I guess. Okay, it seems like we have sold that. Let's check. Let's check. Have we sold that? It seems like we have. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So we've got that sold. What do we have here? We have 55.32. Okay, because don't forget that we had to pay fees. So let's go over to doing VID BTC. Okay, let's hope this works. VID BTC. All right, so what we have here, let's try and check. We're selling right now, and let's put 100%. Okay, if I put 100, we're still in 4.2, so that's good. We're still going to make profit. Let me see if I want to buy. Okay, let me see if I buy and I take this first green. Oh, it's going to give me 399. Let me go and check if I'm going to make profit. If I'm going to make profit, I'm just going to go ahead with it. But if I'm not, I'm going to have to be in the queue. So let's check whether we will make profit, if there's any profit to be made. If not, oops, we've gone down to 11.20. No. This is what happens when you do a market order and you lose the money. That's what's happening here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to actually put it on a sell order, a sell limit order, right? So let's go back and do this, okay? We'll put it on the sell limit order, but our eyes will be on VID USDT, because once it goes higher, we're selling back. Okay, so let's do this. I'll go back to VID BTC, and let's put it on. Let's just put it on the sell limit order. All right, let's put it on the sell limit order. Normal price 100%. Take our screenshots, and then we'll just sell. Okay, so let's sell. We're in the queue. Let's see how long this will take. Meanwhile, let's check what our order history is. Let's see how much we actually bought our VID. Okay, you can see that it was actually bought. Okay, it was bought in one fell swoop. It was bought as how much? How much did we buy it? Okay, it was bought as 002069. Okay, but the order price was okay. So it was actually bought. Let's just say it was bought at 00207. So now let's go and check what's going on in VID's life, VID USDT. Okay, so we're currently in the queue in VID BTC for it to be sold to BTC. So let's go and check what's happening in VID USDT. Let's check the charts. Let's see what's happening in its life and know whether this is going up. Okay, it looks like it's going down though. Let's try and check. I'm seeing, okay, it was going up. Okay, yeah, as you can see, it was actually going up. It's actually going up right now. As you can see, we're at 2068. It was initially we bought it at 2069. Or let's even say we bought it at 2070. Okay, we bought it at 2070, thereabout. So anytime, we'll just come back. I'll keep an eye on this. If I see any beautiful updates, I'll come back and give you the results. And if we get sold to BTC, obviously I'll be back with the results. See you shortly. All right, I'm back, and right now I can see that VID USDT is now 002088, and we bought at 2069. So let's go ahead and try to see how we can change this back to USDT. I'm so excited. We've been waiting actually in the queue, for VID BTC. VID BTC has been waiting. And right now it's gone up a bit, as you can see right now. So what am I going to do? Cancel it, of course. Cancel it, of course. Okay, let's go over, right, to VID USDT. Okay, let's see whether we can get this sold. Let's not waste time. We're not gonna waste any more time. Okay. All right, we're gonna make some profit, so let's go ahead. All right, I'll be back with the results. Okay, so I've put in my verifications and let's see how it went. We have 11.51. Actually, we should have gotten more, but as you can see, the price has been fluctuating up and down. We were able to say it at 0.002085. That's how much we sold it. Now it changed to 87. It will keep on going up and down, right? Now, the truth of the matter is we started out this trade with 11.47, okay? And what took time was that we were waiting in VID BTC, right? We were waiting in VID BTC, as you can see here, VID BTC, and it was taking like forever. We bought it, we bought it at 0.0000768. But we placed our sell limit at that price, 768. It went down to 726 and it was stuck there. And I was like, wow. But I had my eyes on VID USDT, that once I see that it has risen beyond the price that we bought it, because we bought it at 26.9. And when I saw it rose to 28.8, I wasn't going to waste my time. I just went over back to VID USDT and I changed it. Now, of course, you may say, oh, so what's the whole essence? The truth of the matter is, it doesn't mean that I'm not going to be able to probably get this back. Because when I checked the charts, I saw it was going up. As you can see here, it's going up. It might have taken me probably another, couple of hours to get this sold. But during that process, I could find another, profitable opportunity that I could take advantage of. So I just felt, look, the best thing is, you know what you have right now. You don't know what you have in the next 1 hour. You don't. So that's why I decided, to go ahead and change this. I was not going to wait. I wasn't going to wait because, as you can see here, oh, yes, you can say, I wish I saw this. I wish I saw this when it got to this point. I could have, got a lot of money. But I wasn't, my eyes were on BTC. I wasn't checking USDT as I ought to. And I didn't know, because you see what happens here is that somebody with probably a big money bag came and bought a lot of VEED. And then when that happened, the candle shot up high. And of course, all of this could happen within a couple of minutes. As you can see here, this is 60 minutes, right? Which is a 1 hour. So that means in the past 1 hour, I wasn't checking this. I had other things because I'm doing other trades too. This is not the only trade I'm doing, right? So I wasn't checking this. If I was checking it, I would have seen it and I would have cashed out. Oh my gosh, I could have made an extra 50 cents or thereabout. In fact, let me check what this could have been. This is 21.60. So I'm just imagining, right? If I had put this, what would I have made, right? I can't even remember how I'll just go check. Let's check the trade order. Let's check it and see how many we bought. Okay, we bought 5532. So let's go check this. Let's go and check what we could have made. Oh my gosh, I'm not happy with the fact that I didn't check this, but it's fine. So imagine, right? Let me change that to 21. That was 21.6, if I was right. Let me go and check. Was it 21.6? Let me go check it again. I think it was 21.60. Yeah, 21.62. So let's just put it at 21.60. Right? Let's just even see. Oh God, this is interesting. 21.60. And I put it at sell and I put 55. Was that, what was it again? 5535 or something like that. I could have made 11.95, an extra 40 cents. Oh my gosh. Let me confirm that again. I'm not even sure. This could have been so much more. Wow, that's interesting. I'm just looking at what happened. Yes, 5532. Yeah, let me go. Sorry for going to check over and over again. I'm just elated. I'm just imagining if I had put in, if I had put in this, that's 5532. Wow, 11.94. I could have made an extra 40 cents. I could have made an extra 40 cents just doing spot trading. But anyways, thank God that we didn't actually lose any money, okay? We actually gained. We made a profit, which is good. We started out with 11.47. We got stuck on BTC. Now, I'm sure most of you will wonder, okay, so why is it that we get these opportunities and then we now try to execute them and we get stuck? Now, you have to remember something, right? That all these things depend on liquidity, okay? It depends on the velocity. Velocity depends on liquidity. How much of it is being traded at a particular time? Some of these coins might be new coins, or they may not even be new coins. They could be coins that have been there for a while. So the liquidity level might be low. So, but because, when you see it on the scanner, you see it on any of the tools that we use, right? You will see the profit potential there. The profit potential was about 4%, okay? 4%, 3.9 something, 4% thereabouts, which was a good one, right? I probably could have tried doing this by market order, but I would have lost because I tried to simulate that and it was not going to make sense. That's why we had to be stuck a little bit in the queue. Now, when we stop, because we must always have a strategy to come out of a trade, and that's why the boomerang strategy works all the time. Once you leave it there, you have your eye on the previous coin, so that if anything happens, you're stuck for no reason. Come on, just change it back to that coin, and you can be out. All right, so that's it. I hope you've learned something from this. Again, it's actually, we set it out as a triangular arbitrage, right? We got stuck on BTC leg, but all good that ends well. That's it. So I just want to let you know that if you are in any way wondering, how do we get the signals? We have tools that we use, we have apps, we have websites, we have, tools that we use to try and get, signals. And when the signals come, it doesn't mean that when the signals come, it's actually going to be 100%. You have to still check it. You have to be sure. And when you're sure, right, looking at all the parameters, you go ahead for the trade. That's it. And the truth of the matter is that sometimes you win and sometimes you learn, right? In this case, we still won, even though it's not so much of a profit, but we still won. And I hope you learned something from that. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, please let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. And if you want to learn more, of course, you can just click on the link in the description and you'll be chatting with us. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Which makes more money? Is it triangular arbitrage? Or is it spot trading? Or probably could it be inter-exchange arbitrage? Let's find out. You're welcome to Income Strategies, the place where you learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. I'm so glad to talk about this very all-important topic today, which is trying to figure out which of these instruments makes more money. I'm sure you might have noticed that on this channel, I show trades and I talk about, inter-exchange arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, spot trading, and I'm sure you're guessing which one. You're trying to think about it. Which one makes the most money? All right, so today we're going to take a deep dive into looking at that, looking at the different nuances, okay, between these three, and then we'll also look at how you can maximize your profits. Okay, so let's go and start with triangular arbitrage. Okay, so we're currently on BTC USDT. Now, starting point is, what is triangular arbitrage? So I'm going to just go choose one of the coins here, and I'm just going to use it as an example. I'm going to use one of the coins here to just demonstrate an example of what triangular arbitrage is. Now, triangular arbitrage just means like you're taking advantage of the disruptions in the market, right? The imbalances, and you're profiting from it here. It's more like you're looking for bargains and you're making profit of the little imbalances that there are in the market, right? So here we are, we have QIBTC, and triangular arbitrage naturally involves like three coins. Okay, now there is the base coin, there is the target coin, and there's a profit coin. Okay, so obviously you know what the profit coin is, where you're going to sell back to make profit, right? And you know what the target coin is, because that's the particular coin that has the propensity to make profit. So I'm going to quickly show you these things, and then we will decide, after we've done this, which one makes most money. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. For your information, we're not doing any live trade right now. We're just looking at the nuances that go on in the market. Okay, so let me show you through the compare markets. Okay, right now we have QI, we have USDT, we have BTC here. And we just want to check which one is cheaper, right? Because don't forget, we are buying low and we are selling high. Okay, so we need to check. These are the two markets where QI, which is our target coin, is being listed. So you can see here that, just taking a good look at this, you would see, let me just magnify this for you to see. You'll see that QI USDT is 557, while QI BTC is 58. That's 058, while QI USDT is 0055. So obviously we know that the cheaper one is USDT. So we're going to start with that. Now I have $100 here just to try it out, for also see the profit potential easily. I like to use $100, either for my trades or for my simulations, because it shows us the profit potential very, very easily. Okay, now I'll just pick up entire thing like this, and I have 17,953. I'll copy that. We're trying to check how much we can make, right? So don't forget, we are trying to check how much we can make on either of these opportunities. Okay, either it's a triangular arbitrage opportunity, or it's a spot trading opportunity, or it's an inter-exchange opportunity. So let's look at it and critically look at it very well. So we're going to do a basic simulation quickly, and then I just copied that, and I need to sell to BTC. I need to sell to BTC. Okay, so we're selling this to BTC because BTC is actually the higher price. Okay, now just hold your horns. I'm going to show you something. Oh, what am I looking at? I'm going to show you something here. So all I just need to do is I just need to sell QI, right? Okay, and I copy what I have at that point, what I get, and I go back to my BTC, sell to USDT. Okay, I mean that's quite basic to quickly understand, right? So I just put this here. Okay, can you imagine what I'm seeing here? I'm seeing 4%. But just wait, hold on. We're seeing 4%, but can we actually carry out this trade immediately? Now, this is going to take us to do what I call a deep dive simulation. Okay, in a case where in the real world, if we want to carry out this trade, how much would we really make? So let's go back into QI BTC or QI USDT. So let's go ahead and let's check the compare markets. I want to show you something now, because this looks so good. It looks like 4%, right? But really it's not 4%. Let me show you why I'm saying that. Because for us to carry out this trade, we need to look at the order book very importantly, right? So I'm going to go back into my QI USDT. Now, if we take a good look at the chart, you'll see that QI USDT is really falling. I don't know who came and sold off a whole bunch, but this is it. It's been dumping for the past 5 hours. So that's what's creating that gulf, right, of profits. Do you get it? Now, for me to buy QI USDT of this $100, I need to choose a higher price, because if I choose this normal price here, I won't get it sold. I won't get it bought immediately. So I need to choose a higher price. So I'm going to go with the 557 I'm seeing here. Okay, I'm seeing 557. It's right on top there. Before it was 555, but now it's 557. So I'm going to pick on all of that. Do I have the entire? Yeah. So I'll cut that. I have that entire amount now. Then I go over, because what I want to do is I want to sell it to BTC, right? So I'm going to go over to BTC. For me to sell this, I need to choose a lower price, and that's it. So we're going to do the simulation based on the fact that for us to sell this now, we are going to choose a lower price. We're going to choose this amount. Okay, and if it's profitable, I might just right about do it now. Let's see. All right, so I want to sell, so I have to choose a lower price. Okay, don't forget, when you want to sell and you want to sell fast, almost like practically immediately, you choose a lower price. Okay, so I'll place what I have in here. And you can see that because I chose a lower price, okay, it reduced what I'm supposed to get. So let me just copy that. I hope it's profitable. Let's cut that. Probably will be able to do this live, but I'm just showing you some things here. So I may not necessarily do it live, but let's keep our fingers crossed. I love to do my things live. So let's try and sell this. What do we get? What? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? A loss? A loss of $1.62? I can't believe my eyes. I just can't believe my eyes. I thought we just saw a profit of 4% right now. Yeah, let me tell you what really happens. Okay, so now let's get back into the real world. Okay, because I love you say, oh my god, 4%. Oh, awesome. Good. Let's go back and analyze what happened. Okay, we go back into our QI, and I'll tell you the truth behind the scenes. Okay, what I do on this channel is I show you what goes on. Okay, now let's go back into QI USDT. So QI USDT is actually on a dump, right? It's on a dump roll, which is not bad for us to quickly take advantage of, right? But look at it now. If I actually wanted to buy, I'll have to definitely pick a higher price, like I told you, because this price will give me more. Can you see that? But look at it. This price, if I choose a higher price, oh, the price now has even shifted. If I have to go with this, I have to choose a higher price of 558. But that's not even the point. That's besides the point. The main point that even if you pick it, let's do it one more time, and now I'll analyze it very well for you. So I now have choosing the higher price has reduced it to 17921, right? No props. Let me copy that. Okay. Oh no, it's even going down. It's going more down. It's going down now. Is anything like that? So if it's okay, 5 7. All right, let me just do that again. Shake it all up. Right. Put in 5 7, and then I'll. Okay, I get the same amount. I wanted to make sure that it was the same amount. So let's go to QI BTC. What exactly is the reason why it appeared to us that we actually were supposed to make profit, but in the real fact, if we wanted to execute it immediately, it's looking like it's not making profit, right? Look at it. This 17 you're seeing here really, it's not the real price that if you want to get it executed immediately. No. The real price you get if you want to get it executed immediately is this lower price. You want to sell. So don't forget, oh, beautiful. See what's happened. Let me tell you something. Just right before our eyes right now, the price has changed. And now the price, if you want to get it bought or you want to get it sold, it's possible. Is it possible? Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Let's see, because really, if I click on this, oh no, 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 it's still the same thing. It's just that it has switched, okay? It's just that it has switched, right? So if I place that in here, look at it, it's still giving me that same amount. Now, what that means is this. At this point, as we speak right now, the trade is no longer profitable. As you can see, it's no longer profitable as what you saw before because it was on 17. But now, if I actually want to get it sold at this price, I'm still going to lose money because at this point here, which is the actual price that you're going to get it now, if you want to get it sold, because if you want to get it sold, right, you're seeing this, you're not going to make any money. Let me just copy that again for you so that you understand what I'm saying. But go to the compare markets. Let's see what has happened just building up. Oh, I told you. See it now. Oh, well, 548. It hasn't exactly. Can you see? Can you see that the price now in QIBTC is much lower? It's not like much lower. It's lower than USDT. Look at it. Let me look at that again one more time. Show it to you. Just right now, the price has changed. It's no longer. It was supposed to be 5.8. Now it's 5.48. I tell you, you can't make money with this. So if I go and take the same amount back to BTC, it's the same thing that's going to happen. Let's go to BTC USDT. All right. So if I put this in here, it already is a loss, like I showed you earlier, right? So now it's a loss because for us to get this really, for us to get it really, really sold, you have to choose a lower price and quickly. But if you put it in the queue as limit order, you'll have to wait probably days. I'm not sure about hours, but days for you to get this trade executed. Now, will it get executed at 4% profit? It's possible, but you might have to wait. Now, let me tell you something about triangular arbitrage. It's a dependency on a dependency. Okay? You have to understand the pros and cons of triangular arbitrage. So the pros and cons include the fact that you'll have to wait to get a signal, and then when you get that signal, you have to do what I call a deep dive simulation. Two things. So it depends on whether you're able to make profit instantly or immediately or at least within the next 4 to 6 hours. Now, if that doesn't happen, you have to wait for a couple of days. That's the only thing. Now, would this happen eventually? Yes, it can happen eventually. And I do trades, and it could happen within hours, it could happen within a couple of days for triangular arbitrage, right? So I'm telling you the truth. Is it possible to make money with triangular arbitrage? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And yes, it is. But which makes more money is what we're trying to find out here. Not whether it makes money. It does make money, but which one makes more money? Okay, so now let's go into the next one. Now, which makes money? Let's look at inter-exchange arbitrage. Now, inter-exchange arbitrage is also a dependency on a dependency. And what is inter-exchange arbitrage? It's when you buy a particular coin cheaper on a particular platform or exchange and go sell it on another exchange for profit. Okay. Now, what are the things that are involved in doing inter-exchange arbitrage? You need to be sure, like I told you, it's a dependency upon a dependency. You need to be sure that that particular coin and the place where you want to go sell it has the same withdrawal network. And that you can withdraw and you can deposit. Those are the very important things, okay? So let's just choose, let's use SCRT, okay? Because I know that I just checked my instrument and I saw that, that it actually has some form of profit in it. So let's go and see what's going on in SCRT. So this is between SCRT, BTC, really, right? In Binance and SCRT in KuCoin. So let's go over to KuCoin, right? So what do we want to do in inter-exchange arbitrage is to check, can we make money and can we make a lot of money from it? Yeah, we can make money. Definitely we can make money, right? But like I told you, it's a dependency on a dependency, okay? So we need to know the different nuances that go with this, right? Very important. So SCRT BTC. So we're going to first of all check. Now look at it. Look at the price we have here. 0.0005853. Look at the price. 853. Let's go check. You can see it here. It's 818. So that means there's actually a big gully, right? So first of all, we don't even have BTC. So we have to buy BTC. Okay, so don't forget, these are all simulations. Today is about knowing which one makes us more money and which has the propensity to quickly make profit for us. Okay, so now for me to do this trade, I need to first of all go and buy BTC. So let's actually buy BTC first. Okay, so let's pick up 100%. Okay, it didn't pick up everything, 99.8, but let's go with what we have and copy that, right? And then don't forget, it's not up to $100, it's just 99.81. Okay, let's put that in mind. Would we make profit with this? Definitely, but how is it going to be? Are we going to be able to make profit immediately? Let's check it out. So we're at SCRT, and all we have to do now is buy SCRT with BTC. So all we just have to do now is place the BTC here, as you can see, and then we can pick up 354.8. Remember that, 354.8. So let's copy that. Now, since we know that we can make money with it, what is the next thing we need to do? We need to check the networks, whether they are the same, right? Because if not, it's just going to hang, right? And we must check the transfer fees. Please don't forget that. Transfer fees. Oh, look at it. It has even gone. It's gone up now. It's gone up now, but no problem. Let's see how it goes. Let's go and check the withdrawal, okay? Because the withdrawal is very important, okay? We'll click on withdraw. Let's search for SCRT. Click on send by crypto network. And we want to check, what is the network? So we have two networks here. We have, see, it has secret network, which is a very small amount to send. And there's BEP20 network. Interesting. So the BEP20 network is just about 10 cents to send, right? But meanwhile, the secret network is suspended. Okay, let's go and check. Let's see whether we can send this over to KuCoin. Okay, like I told you, it's a dependency upon a dependency. Okay, so now the next thing we're checking is deposit, right? Can we deposit SCRT here? Of course, it looks like we can. But what's the network? Ooh. Can you see what I'm seeing here? Ooh, it's secret network. Secret network. Secret network. Interesting. That's the network, right? But let's go back to Binance. What did it say? But before we go back, let's even see how much profit that we were supposed to make, right? Let's see how much profit. Let's see how much profit we were supposed to make. How much here? 302. Let's just see how much profit that's in BTC. So let's copy that. Go to BTC USDT. We go to BTC USDT. Don't forget, that's where we're going to change it back to profit. Okay, we'll sell and place that in there. We were supposed to make 3.5%. So you can see that there was a probability, a propensity. Don't mind my English, okay? There's a propensity to make $3.50 on top of your $100. Isn't there a propensity? There is. So remember that for the triangular arbitrage, we were supposed to make like 4%.
4% plus. But somehow along the line, it's a dependency upon a dependency. That took some time. But not that it took some time. We haven't even taken out the trade. It's going to take a lot of time to get that work. Okay? Now we're here. And the only thing that's standing in our way is that we can't even get to withdraw this with Secret. Because the withdrawal network of Secret has been suspended. Can you see that? It has been suspended. So these are the pros and cons. Okay, let me go back. This was supposed to be a profitable transaction. Okay, but what exactly stalled this issue, or stalled this transaction? The withdrawal network and the deposit network are not matching. They don't even have a BP20, deposit address. So right now we can carry out this trade. And that's always a problem when you're trying to do inter-exchange arbitrage. You must make sure that the withdrawal network is the same. If not, your money is gone. OT law, that's what it means. Okay? So, we have the propensity to make 4% plus in the triangular arbitrage, and now 3.5%, which we can't make because of withdrawal and deposit networks. Okay? Now, is there money to be made? Yes, there's money to be made. But what is stopping us from making this money are the dependencies upon dependencies, okay? So let's go to my all-time favorite, spot trade, okay? Spot trading is my favorite so far, and as you can see, I do a lot of spot trading recently, and I'm sure you can see that from the volume of the videos I've been doing spot trading, because it is not a dependency upon a dependency. You have control over it. As long as you know how to chart, as long as you know how to do proper technical analysis so that you're closer to the answer, well, you should be able to make more wins than losses. Okay? Now, there isn't any part, there's no opportunity that doesn't have its own risk. There are risks anywhere. Don't forget that we don't own the market. Okay? Now, let's go and check. My all-time favorite is always to go to gainers, normally, usually. So all you just have to do is to be able to pick a coin on the gainers that will give you the best propensity to make profit. And you decide not to be greedy. Make sure that you're conservative, okay? So let's just walk through one of these, okay? Let's just choose one together. I like to look for coins that are under, this is interesting. We can use this as an example. Now, for me right now, it's in pump mode. You can see as it's just trying to move up and down, and you can see that the parabolic SARS is pushing up. So there's a propensity to make money here, right? So I'm going to just do a quick, a quick simulation and see whether we can make some money here. Now, don't forget, you are the one that will go on your own terms and decide on what you want to do. If you're greedy, you may look for higher profits, and if you're conservative, you may look for lower profits. But really, it depends on you. Once the signs in terms of the chart is right, the technical analysis is right, you should be able to go on. Now, this is not exactly in pump mode right now. It's kind of like having a slight pullback, but it's still looking okay because the parabolic SARS is looking up. And not only because of that, you can see that the RSI is not bad. It's just on point on 70, and we can work with that. Okay, so I'm just going to show you quickly how to do simulations. Now, I'm not doing the trade. I'm just going to carry it out to let you know. I'm just going to show you what goes on, right? And how much profits we can make here, right? So all I just need to do is I need to just check on buying this $100 worth, and this gives me 42,698. I cut that out, and then I go back and check where was the highest it went to in the last one day. It went to 24. Look at it. It went to 2462. 2462. So there is a tendency for it to still get there and go beyond, right? So we're going to try that out and see how much we can make. 2462. Okay, so we go back in there, click on sell, place. Okay, no, we have to edit that to 2462. 2462, right? And then paste our OOKI. Can you see what I'm saying here, darlings? This one, 5.1%. And I can decide to just sell it immediately. It's going to take some time though, probably like 2-3 hours. It will get executed. It could even take a day or two because you don't own the market, right? And it's even going up. Oh yeah, it's actually going up, flipping and flopping. But what I just showed you here was that we had the propensity to make 5.1%. Now, okay, or what have I done? No, we're supposed to select that and change to that 2462 and then paste that in there. Yeah, we had the opportunity. Right now, if I want to do this trade, this is what I'm going to be gunning for, 5.1%. But let me tell you the truth. I don't like to be greedy. So what I do, I go for 2% to 3% because I know it can hit it and then even go beyond. But this, from this trade, it shows us that this can get to 5.1%. Now, you be the judge. Which one out of all these ones can make the most money for you? You got that right. Spot trading has the most propensity to make money for you. Now, don't get me wrong. You can get stuck in trades, okay? You can be there hours, days, possibly weeks, yeah? But whichever way, even if you're in the queue, your funds are not exactly at risk because if by the time the tide turns and it goes your way, worst case, all you just have to do is just, cash out with some profit. You don't even have to wait till it gets to 5%. Come on. If it makes you 1%, just go there and cash out. Simple. Do you get my point here? Now, in this case, you can close your trades when you see you've made profits. You have control over your trades. Now, don't forget, we don't own the market, so it's possible that the tide can turn against you. People can come and then sell off a whole lot and then dump the price. I've seen examples like that, and you might likely make a little bit of loss. But the most important thing here is that there is the propensity to make a lot of money in spot trading, and I think I've been able to make my point. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and also ask me any questions that you have concerning any of these three avenues, and I'll be glad to answer you. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I wonder what you're doing. Come on, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Give us a like, share us a comment, and of course, if you want to learn more, you know what you got to do now. You know what you got to do. Just click on the link in the description and you'll be chatting with me. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.
I just saw Doc. Oh, this looks like it's good. Looks like it's good. Ooh, let's see. Put in the entire amount. Okay. Let's just check this out. Cut. Sell. What was the highest? Of course, that's the highest. Let's see whether it will go to 6.7. Let's see. Let's see whether we're gonna put it at it. Okay. Or maybe it should go to 6.9. 6.9. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's go with Doc. Oh, are we all still in the queue? I don't like being in the queue. Well, this is it. Cancel it. If I go with 6, would it go? I'm not even sure. Let's just go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's pick it up and let's go with it. Yeah, let's go. But of course, we picked the higher price. Come on, what do you expect? The high price is what we picked and it's gone up. So let's sell. Let's see what we're having. What are we having now? Oh, it's going up. It's going up. Can we even make some money with this? No, not yet. So let's put this in. 6.9. Let's see. 76. Okay. 6.95. Uh-oh. So let's put 6.91. What's that? 6.93. I want it to be at least closer to it. All right, let's go for it. So we're currently in the queue right now. See what's happening in Doc. How much did we buy it? I can't even remember. Let's check how much we bought Doc. We got it at 16.63. So it's experiencing a 16.63. It's going up. It's going up. It's going up. It's going up. We just need some more time to push up. Do you have anything for us? Let's see. I think it was 166 we bought it as. I think it was 166, let's be sure. I think it was 166. So it's going down lower right now. And we're currently on dock. And dock is going up. Yeah, dock is going up. I just want to see if there's money to be made here. Alrighty, it looks like it's going to fire up very soon. Should I cash out now or should I wait? I don't want what happened to me earlier to go on. Let's see if there's money to be made. Let's just cancel it and see if there's money to be made. We'll just go ahead and just make it. Wow, 76 cents. That's good. That's good. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's go. One to go. Oh, we're in the queue. Oh, well, that's another thing. Let me cancel that. Let me see if I go for a lower price. Will I still make money? I think I should make money. Let's see. Oh my God. See. Oh my God, it's going. We are cashing out. Oh my God. We are cashing out. Let's see. Oh my God. Let me cancel this. Let me cancel it. We're getting more than we actually planned. We're getting more. That's good. Want to go. Oh, what's going on? Oh, let me go. Let me cancel this one more time. What's going on? Why hasn't it? Okay, I should go for a lower price. It wants me to go for a lower price. Okay, I'll go for a lower price. Come on, just give it to me. Oh, have we cashed out? Well, I don't know. Let me see. Oh my God. Let's see if I can get. Oh, yeah. All right. Okay. I think I've cashed out. It was already on the verge of going down. Anyways, we made money. Let's see how much we made. We made 74 cents. Good one, though. Good one. That's a good one. That is a good one. Good. Thumbs up. You can see it's going down now. We cashed out. Let's ship out our profit. Before we check the others. Okay? Let's ship out our profit very quickly. Let me ship out the profit. Transfer. So let's ship out the profit. Let's put there. Oh, no. That's not what I'm doing. Okay. Ship out the profit. And then we will just remove that so that we can check the others. Okay. We just ship out the profit. That was 74 cents. Perfect. All right. Let's go see what's going on. So it's going down now. Doc, we're out of you. That's a good one. We made profit. We made 74 cents. 74 cents is how much? Let's go check. How many percentage is that? Let me check what that is. Let's go and check on the calculator. Let's see. That's 50 times 1.4. Yeah, that's a bit more than 1.4. Let's see, 1.45. Let's see, 1.44. 1.44. Okay. 74 cents. How much is that? 1.445. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, 46. Okay, something in this range. Oh, this is 49. It's supposed to be 47 or 47. Yeah, something in this range. 47, 48. Yeah. 1.4